Assalamu alaikum everyone. So 6 more days to close the private. Do check the top right to see what the private really is all about and how you can join and whatnot. What are the benefits of being in the private and what we do in the private as well. Now, getting back into Bonk at the moment, I had a trade. I actually took a trade yesterday on the private, but I actually ended up closing it, or let's just say canceling the trade for Bonk. Now, the problem that I do see here is that we have this candle, right? So we have negative candle that it has actually printed out. So how yesterday you closed was not very good. Now I'm not saying that we're bad just yet. At least we're not just yet, and we might be, okay, we might be. And I think that the only way to get negative right now is to really come down to 1921. And I think if you just try to fall all the way down to 1921, there could be chances of actually dropping further way below. What I can say is there's a little bit of support being held, and you can see that we are still holding the 20 EMA. That has never been lost. That's actually pretty good. Now if today you end up, I just want to see how the closing of today's candle is going to be at all. So yes, we do have, just, you see, here's the issue, okay? You're not even breaking that 55 on the daily. You got rejected very, very badly previously, and you also made a fake out here because as I told you before, this is a little bit of resistance that you have to break above, but you made a fake out and then you went inside. That's not a very good thing. Another thing is that on the EMA side of it, we are still failing to cross the 55. Now what I want you to do is check if today you end up making a doji closing. That's gonna be awesome. If you do a doji closing, make a plus here, yeah, tomorrow we can actually start to see another leg to the upside. And when you do see that, you may make a crossover between these two EMAs. That's gonna be good as well, and eventually push the prices back up, cross the 55. That's gonna be as very good as well. And if those check get done, then your main technical target is up to 2822. Otherwise there could be some little bit of risk going on with Bonk at the moment, because yesterday's candles closing was not very, very good. So be careful and keep an eye on those scenarios that I talked about, because that is probably going to give us more confidence that the coin itself is going to start to push up. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.